Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to tie your long hair tie. This one is very long. It's like 3 yards. So you're going to learn how to tie it very fast if you want to go for an occasion. First of all, you fold it into three equal parts, or just 3. The width, you fold the width into 3. Look at, I'm folding it into 3. I'll try to stretch it so it will go down. You see? Okay. Now I'll put it on my head and I'll leave small parts for me to tie. I'll put it on my head. Have you seen it? Now I'll turn the back side. You see how it will go. This one is the long side. Long. Very long. While this one is just the short side. I'll even make it shorter. Just for it to go around my head once. Okay. Now the long one will go under while the short one will come on top. Under. So I'll have to turn so you see how I'll tie it. The long one has gone under, and the short one is on top. You hook it. So I've tied it the first time very well. I've tied it very well. Now it's very tight, very secure on my head. I'll try to make sure it's not too tight. Then I'll twist this one. Twisting. I'll try to hide the edges while I twist. Then I'll go round once. Go under again, under this other one. It's out again. I'll fold it and twist again. Twist. I've treated it the second time. I'll make sure it is fine in my eyes. Then turn my back. I'll then tie the 2 of them together. So this is the back, and now this is the front. You see, very fast and easy, and you tie your hair tie like an Igbo woman. You wonder how they do it so fast. This is it. Thank you so much. I don't know if I should do it again. Maybe I'll do it again without turning around. After folding your hair tie into 3 or 2, anyhow you want to fold it, but sharp, you should just make sure na ogagisi. No ogagisi ni get no ma fiaga like. After folding it into 3, you put it like this and tie. Remember the long one will go under. While you hold the short one like a hook, the long one will be going. Then you fold. If you like this way, if you like that way, any way you want it to go. Let me put this one on top of the other one. Now tie it together. So you can arrange it very well with your hand. I've done the double twist and I put one on top of the other one. You see? It's very nice. So that is a very easy way to tie your ịchafụ. If you're going for an occasion and you don't have time, just be. You've tied it and you're good to go. Thank you so much and do have a nice day. Kemesia Kodivazia.